Hello everyone, welcome back to Earners Empire. Let's build our own empire with money. So it's me Suri Prakash, and in today's video, I'm going to speak about the Brave's new update, in which they have actually integrated ZipPay along with the Brave as one of their custodial wallets, with which you will be able to, you know, withdraw your VBATs, that's virtual bats available in your local wallet inside the Brave browser to the custodial wallet, with which you will be able to convert it to the your currency and you will be able to use it. Okay, this video was made for the Indian audience who are using the Brave browser or have not yet tried the Brave browser and want to explore the options of using the Brave browser and are looking for an opportunity to earn while just surfing the internet. Okay, so guys, before we go on to the video, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on subscribe button and the bell button near to subscribe button if you want to get more up to date informations about the technology and stuffs. So guys, moving back to the video, do not skip any part of this video. I'm going to cover a few important points over here, which covers the custodial wallet integrated with Brave for Indian users, and I'm going to cover a few important pointers which you must keep in your mind, such as the taxes and etc. So guys, let's just not waste any more time, just straightly dive into the video. As you can see my screen over here, the date which I'm recording this video is 15th October 2023. I did not use my Brave browser for a week in my mobile, and when I opened it, I got a notification like this: action required, connect a custodial wallet to your or your VBATs will be lost. The last date to connect is going to be 31st of October 2023, and after that it seems that they will be discontinuing their support for existing virtual BAT balances. So we must compulsorily connect a custodial wallet before this date so we can transfer earned balance to a custodial wallets, otherwise our balance is going to be lost. Okay, so this is actually a screenshot. Now I'll open the Brave browser. Before that, I'll show you the Brave browser. Wait, in the Play Store, there is an update for Brave browser. I'm just gonna update it. In the meantime, I'm gonna show you what the Brave browser is about. The Brave browser is a browser. Just remember, this is not a promotion or advertisement. This is something which I am putting on my own, according to the few queries which you users had in the previous videos. I actually have made a previous video showing you a few things, but I'll cover those in the later part of this video. So first of all, the Brave browser is a private browser with fewer ads. The thing is that Brave browser has an inbuilt ad blocker with which you will be able to block all the advertisements even in your private window, and it has an inbuilt integration with Tor, with which you will be able to access the dark web. Okay, so these are the few of the screenshots of Brave browser in Google Play Store. You can just go check it out when you are installing this application. Okay, so the application has been updated. I'm going to click on the open button over here. Okay, right now it's opening. The Brave firewall and VPN is actually a paid plan, so I'm not gonna enable it. I'm just gonna close it. Okay, this was the notification which I told and which I showed you guys in the screenshot. As you can see, I have a BAT. Right now our BAT's value is 0.18 USD. It's because the market is down. While I was using the BAT, his values came about to a BAT value came about to $0.8, I guess. So yes, you can just hold BAT, and when it's just like a share, and BAT actually means Brave Attention Token, which is a cryptocurrency. You can hold it, and when the price goes up, you can just sell it for your local currency. In my case, it's going to be Indian rupee. In your case, it may be US dollars or Pakistani rupee or anything. Okay, so right now we are compulsorily enabled to connect to a custodial wallet. Guys, I have actually posted a few videos previously which showed you guys how to earn more using the Brave, with which you'll be able to earn like a BAT per day. Okay, so just go watch those videos. Those videos links will be in the description and the first comment. I'll pin the comment, so do not forget to just go watch it in order to increase your revenue in case you are going to use the Brave browser or you are using the Brave browser. Actually, in my opinion, I also reviewed the Brave browser and compared it with the Google Chrome. So just go watch it too. According to me, The Brave is better in few cases compared to Google Chrome. Just go watch it. I'll not be covering that part in this video. Right now in my mobile I have actually chosen my country to be outside of the India. It's, I think it was the United States, so only these two options are showing for me. But in the case which you choose your country as India, you'd be able to withdraw your VBATs, that is virtual bats, to your Custodial wallet. In this case, it's going to be Zeppay. As you can see the screen over here. While I was using the Brave browser, only Uphold and Gemini was available, and then came the Bitflyer, which was for Japan. I used a few methods in order to withdraw my VBATs to Uphold or Gemini. I connected it with Gemini, but right now it's temporarily unavailable, so I'm not able to withdraw it. So guys, if you are outside the if you are outside India and want to or even if you are in India and you don't want to use Zeppay, you can try these other alternatives as Uphold and Gemini. Or in this both, I recommend Gemini, but normally you won't be able to withdraw in Gemini, but there is a way with which you'll be able to withdraw your VBATs in Gemini. I've actually posted a separate video on that too. I'll leave those videos link in the description, so just go check it out too. The reason I recommend Gemini is that it's far better than Zeppay, as this Zeppay over here, as you can see, is okay. I'll open and show it to you. This thing, right? Zeppay is what to say, is it's not that good of an application. It actually has membership fees, withdrawal problems, etc., etc. They're gonna just steal from you. I don't know why Brave chose this as its custodial wallet for India, but yes, this application actually sucks. But if you want to go in the proper way and you want to use Brave browser in India, go sign up for Zeppay. This is the Zeppay application. I have it in my mobile. It is also recommended to update. As you can see, the reviews are low too. I seriously do not recommend you guys using Zeppay. There are a few reasons, and the reasons are also posted in the other videos. You can go check it out too. I'll leave those videos link in the description in the first comment. Yes, the images are good, but overall this is a stupid application. Yes, I'm gonna open it. I'm not gonna give you a complete overview, but yes, this is the application. They charge you so much, but there are features with which you can earn, like lending, but they're gonna pay you a lot less. Okay, so all you have to do in order to connect is that click on the connect, and here the Zeppay will be available as your option. You just have to click it, like I'm gonna click on Uphold, and an authorization will be sent out to your account. First of all, you must complete your KYC in any of the custodial wallets, and once you do it, I'm not gonna connect to Uphold. I'm waiting for Gemini to be available once again. If it's not available, like the 29th of October, I'm gonna connect it with Uphold. Okay, so that is the reason. For you, the Zeppay will be available. Just click on connect and you'll be able to connect it. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this video until the end. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up button below this video, and like I told before, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near to subscribe button, so you are updated in my channel. So guys, once again, thanks for watching this video until then. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.